These weirdest Amazon gadgets are so bizarre, you'll wonder why they even exist. Don't find the links because they are in description and comments. Let's start. Stranded on the road with a dead battery? The JumpSmart 10-in-1 portable vehicle jump starter is your ultimate lifeline. This powerhouse packs an 8,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, delivering up to 800 amps peak power, enough to bring your car, truck, SUV, or even your ATV back to life in seconds. But that's not all. It doubles as a high-powered 330 lumen flashlight with 4 modes, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Need to charge your phone or tablet? The dual USB ports have you covered with fast charging. Plus, with a built-in compass, thermometer, emergency alarm, and reflector strip, it's a must-have for outdoor adventures and roadside emergencies. Pros: powerful 800 amp peak jumpstart capability, bright 330 lumen flashlight with multiple modes, fast charging dual USB ports for devices, built-in emergency tools for added safety, compact and easy to store in a vehicle. Cons: limited battery capacity for multiple jumps, slightly heavier compared to regular power banks. Winter roads can be treacherous, but the K&K Boutique Automotive snow socks ensure you stay in control even in the harshest conditions. These high-quality polyester traction socks provide better grip, improved steering, and enhanced braking performance, making them a certified alternative to traditional chains. Whether you're heading to the mountains or caught in a sudden blizzard, these tear-resistant, washable, and reusable snow socks are a true lifesaver. Installation is a breeze, just 5 minutes with no tools required. Plus, they're safe for modern braking systems, won't damage tires or rims, and operate without vibration or noise. Pros: certified and legally approved for use in multiple countries, quick and tool-free installation, lightweight, compact, and easy to store, safe for ABS, ESC, and other vehicle systems, washable and reusable for long-term use. Cons: wears down quickly on dry or rough roads, less effective on thick ice compared to traditional chains. Tired of clumpy protein shakes ruining your workout routine? The VoltaRx Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle takes mixing to the next level with its powerful Vortex motor, ensuring silky smooth shakes every time. Made from BPA-free, infant-grade Triton, it's shatter-resistant and completely safe for daily use. Its eye-catching design makes you stand out at the gym, while the 24-ounce capacity ensures you stay fueled. With an insane 1-month battery life from just a 2-hour charge, you'll never have to worry about constant recharging. Pros: powerful Vortex motor for smooth mixing, long battery life with quick charging, made from safe, BPA-free, and shatter-resistant Triton, easy self-cleaning with IPX5 water resistance, stylish and modern design for fitness enthusiasts. Cons: measurement markings stop at 20 ounces despite a 24-ounce capacity. Mixing performance slightly decreases with low battery. Who knew separating egg yolks could be this fun? The Automotive Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator turns a simple kitchen task into a slam dunk. Designed like a tiny basketball hoop, this quirky yet practical gadget makes cooking a game while ensuring perfect yolk separation every time. Whether you're a foodie, a home chef, or a basketball lover, this fun kitchen accessory is a must-have. Not only does it handle eggs effortlessly, but it's also great for making poached eggs, meringues, and portion-controlled recipes. Pros: fun basketball-themed design adds excitement to cooking, efficiently separates egg yolks with ease, multi-purpose use for various egg-based recipes, made from durable, food-safe materials, simple to clean with dishwasher-safe convenience. Cons: manual operation may slow down larger batches, playful design might not suit every kitchen aesthetic. Want to bring instant energy and hype to any moment? The Trubisky Airhorn can sound button is your ultimate party starter. Just press the button and let the loud air horn blast and applause take over. Perfect for hyping up sports events, dance parties, office celebrations, or even just pranking your friends. This easy-to-use noisemaker is a must-have for DJs, party lovers, and anyone who loves a good laugh. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with batteries included, so the fun starts right out of the box. Pros: instant air horn and applause sound at the press of a button. Great for parties, sports, and pranks. Compact and lightweight for easy portability. Comes with batteries for immediate use. Fun and engaging for all ages. Cons: not as loud as traditional air horns. Repetitive sound may become irritating over time. Sorry to disturb, but please comment on what topic the next video should be about. Looking to add some classic prank fun to your next party? This 12-pack Whoopee Cushion Set brings non-stop laughter with every unexpected. Made from safe, odorless TPC material, these cushions are durable, reusable, and perfect for kids and adults alike. Whether you're pulling a prank at the office, surprising your friends at a party, or making kids giggle on April Fool's Day, these timeless joke toys never get old. Easy to blow up and use, they're a simple yet hilarious way to lighten the mood and relieve stress. However, they don't have automatic inflation, so you'll need to manually blow blow them up each time, and their small 4-inch size may not be as loud as bigger versions. But for a budget-friendly, classic gag that guarantees laughter, this set is an absolute win. Pros: classic prank that never fails to entertain. Safe, odor-free, and reusable material. Great for parties, offices, and stress relief. Simple to use for all ages. Budget-friendly 12-pack for more fun. Cons: no automatic inflation requires manual setup each time. Smaller size may produce a softer sound. Want to take your party to the next level? The Ibobo Shock Roulette party game turns up the tension and excitement with a thrilling game of chance. Perfect for game nights, this electrifying challenge lets 2 to 6 players test their luck as the red light spins unpredictably before shocking the unlucky loser. Whether you're playing in random mode for a luck-based shock or competition mode for a reaction speed challenge, every round is filled with suspense, laughter, and a bit of fear. It's an instant icebreaker and a hilarious way to keep everyone engaged. However, the shock might be too intense for some, and repeated rounds could make it predictable. But for a wild, adrenaline-pumping experience that guarantees unforgettable moments, this game is a must-have party favorite. Pros: exciting and unpredictable gameplay, supports up to 6 players for group fun, great for parties, gatherings, and icebreaking. 2 game modes for variety, creates laughter and memorable moments. Cons: shock intensity may be too much for some, can become repetitive after several rounds. Need a simple yet mesmerizing way to relax and unwind? This 3-pack liquid motion bubbler is the perfect sensory toy for kids and adults alike, offering a calming visual experience as colorful droplets slowly glide down in a hypnotic rhythm. Whether you're looking for a stress reliever at work, a focus aid for kids, or a fun desk decoration, these bubblers create a soothing effect that melts away anxiety and boredom. Their vibrant colors make them visually appealing, and they can even double as a timer for daily routines like brushing teeth. Pros: mesmerizing, slow-moving droplets for relaxation, great for stress relief, anxiety, and focus. Vibrant colors make it a fun sensory toy, perfect for office desks, classrooms, or home decor. Comes in a 3-pack with different color combinations. Cons: liquid flow speed may vary between bubblers, fragile and can break if dropped. Cooking just got a whole lot more fun with the OTOTO Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator. This quirky basketball-themed gadget turns egg separation into a slam dunk, making meal prep exciting for foodies and NBA fans alike. Simply crack an egg, pour it in, and watch the yolk stay behind as the egg white slips through effortlessly. It's not just a practical kitchen tool, it's a conversation starter. Beyond eggs, it's handy for making poached eggs, meringues, and even portion control. Pros: playful basketball-themed design makes cooking fun, efficiently separates egg yolks with ease, versatile for other kitchen tasks like meringues, easy to clean and dishwasher safe, great gift for food lovers and basketball fans. Cons: may struggle with extra large eggs, novelty factor might wear off over time. Bring laughter to any occasion with the sound effects machine, featuring 16 hilarious sound effects, including duck quacks, burps, and crowd laughter. This pocket-sized gadget is perfect for pranks, parties, and spontaneous comedy, adding instant fun with the press of a button. Whether you're using it to liven up a conversation or as a surprise gift for kids and teens, it guarantees endless entertainment. It's lightweight, portable, and comes with pre-installed batteries, making it a ready-to-use laughter booster. However, the sound quality may not be top tier, and repeated use might make the effects predictable over time. Pros: easy-to-use button, delivers instant fun. Compact and portable for on-the-go laughter. Includes 16 amusing sound effects. Pre-installed batteries for immediate enjoyment. Great gift for kids, teens, and prank lovers. Cons: sound quality may not be the best. Limited variety of effects can become repetitive. That's end. Meet in these videos. Stay safe forever.